All right, guys, I just leveled up my nightstand game. I went from that piece of trash to this. I would say like modern, minimal, industrial, very cool look. I put this together myself. It only took about, I leisurely put it together a half hour watching soccer. What I love about it is I've got two USB ports back there and two outlets. So it's so easy to either plug in my computer, but every night I charge my headphones and I charge my phone. So I have that right there next to my bed. No confusing all those wires. I've got a drawer here, and then I've got another just shelf on the bottom. And then you got the shelf on top. That's what I like about it. You technically have three shelves plus the drawer. Dude, this thing is so nice, and I would say value-wise, it's incredible. It just adds a vibe to my room. That was kind of trashy. This is sweet. I think you should get it.